shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm Ed, welcome to my shop. Got an exciting project today. As many of you might be aware, I'm a relatively new wood turner, only been doing it less than 2 years. So with every project I do try to challenge myself, and today is no different. So we've got an 8x3 piece of hackberry, and we are going to be turning a hollow form. So it's going to have about a 2-inch hole in the center, very undercut on the top, so it's kind of going to be kind of flat on the top, and then the bottom will come to, you know, kind of like a curved shape. So going to be very challenging. I never done anything quite so undercut, but I'm excited. I hope you are. You're going to get a worm screw put in. We're going to get it mounted to the lathe. But before we do that, I got some post in the mail, got some stickers, and I wanted to show you guys those. I got a sticker from Puddle Pirate Projects, Tony. Thank you, Tony, for sending this. You should have, all of you guys should have stickers in the mail to you if you've not already received them. I will put an Instagram link to Tony's profile on down below in the description. I got one from Ben's Woodburning. Ben has an Instagram. Again, put a link down to his channel or his profile. And then Yusuf over at Noon Craft. He's got a YouTube channel. Put a link to his channel. Go check him out. Tell him that I sent you over. So let's get this thing mounted and let's go have some fun. All right, that's going to do it for the shape of the outside. So now what we need to do is we just need to get this off the worm screw and get it reversed. So one of the things that I do like to do before I go in and drill it out is just take a diamond tool and go in and just sand, or not sand, but just sharpen up that cutting edge. Just takes a few seconds, and then that way I get a clean cut and it doesn't go in there and just burn as it goes through. So what you saw me doing there was doing some pull cuts just to clean up the face. And then I did want just a little bit of a rim here. I may get that a little bit bigger, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get that a little bit bigger. And I just wanna check across here. Yeah, I want it to kind of slope down evenly. So I'm just gonna work on that a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna start hollowing out the inside. All right, you see me going back and forth with the tools and trying to figure out, so it's really, through all that, it's only about right here. So it got quite a bit to go, but the problem I'm having is getting the tools in there and knowing kind of where they are, you know. Anyway, so I'm just going to keep going back and forth. I know you probably can't see much inside there, but neither can I. So anyway, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get it hollowed out as best I can. May not be perfect, may not be all the way out to the edge, but I'm going to try to get it as close as I can and really go by the weight of it, since it's going to be hard for me to tell how thick the walls are. So anyway, that's what's going on. All right, that's gonna be about as good as I can get it. You know, it's about out to here. But you know, it is what it is, but I think it's gonna be fine. was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed watching it also. So this is actually a really pretty piece of wood. I've never turned hackberry before, but it's, I don't know if they're all like this or just this particular one, but it's got a lot of staining in it, so I'm guessing that's spalting. So I think it just lends itself really nicely to this shape. Tell me, what do you think about this shape? It was not that hard to turn the outside, but the inside, my tools just couldn't reach to the end, and that's okay. This was an experiment. This is my first time, and I think if I want to do something similar to this, I'm gonna have to look at maybe getting, I've seen tools that will have like an articulating head where you can fold it in different angles, and that might be what it needs to get. And it's, instead of it being a carbide cutter, it's a straight cutter, and that may be what I need to get further into this. But it was a great experiment for my first time doing a hollow form of this size. I think it's a really nice piece. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're doing well and being safe. If this was something that you enjoyed, you know, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment down below. All those great things help the channel out. If this is your first time here and you want to see other videos like this, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, click up here. Click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you so much.